Today, the most wanted person in the city is a 12-year-old girl.
You alright? You want to tell me why those men are after you?
I can memorize anything. They showed me a very long number.
Is there anything interesting to you about these numbers?
It's not just random. There's a sequence.
It's a code.
Help me if you can.
Who took the girl?
It was Luke Wright.
What?
Luke Wright, the Big Apple's hardest cop, once upon a time.
Get everybody on this. Chinese
The Russians.
close every exit out of Manhattan. That girl does not leave this city.
Let's go to war.
Are we safe?
Till my dying day. I got the numbers. Now you're dealing with me. Hold on.
Are you crazy?
Go! Take him out!
You got some balls, Luke.
Yeah, amazing I can even walk.
Safe.
Я никогда не знаю, что говорит в такие моменты.
Какие моменты?
Перед тем, как я кого-то